2024 has been a really interesting year for me in a lot of ways. One of the results of that is that I haven't spent nearly as much time using my Cricut as I had originally intended to. But even if I haven't been using my Cricut much, Cricut has still been hard at work updating the software, creating new materials, and more. This is a partial list of the Design Space release note updates for 2024. This doesn't even go all the way back to January or include the release notes for iOS and Android. Let's look at my hopes and predictions for 2024 and see how things ended up. In 2024, I was hoping for more useful Cricut Access features, Bluetooth connectivity improvements, processing speed improvements with projects, and new adaptive tools for the Maker and Maker 3. I was predicting another heat press, at least 750,000 Cricut images, and less support for the older Explore family machines, which does not include the Explore 3 machine. This is how I rate what happened. A lot of it, we kind of got more useful features. We kind of got better Bluetooth and better processing speed. There were no new adaptive tools for the Maker. There was no new heat presses. They did severely drop the price on the Cricut Auto Press. They did get more than 750,000 Cricut images because about halfway through the year, they celebrated 1 million images. And there is less support now for the Explore family machines. 2024 saw the rollout of the Create sticker feature that is exclusive to Cricut Access members to make print and cut stickers faster and easier. It also saw the new feature of converting to layers. So when you upload an image that has multiple colors in it, you can choose whether you upload it as multiple layers that are separated by color, which is exclusive to Cricut Access as well, whether you upload it as a single layer or whether you upload it as a flat graphic for things like print and cut. Cricut also introduced the new Cricut Value materials, which they say are high quality materials at affordable prices. I have not used these. I have not been a fan of Cricut's full price vinyls, so I haven't even tried their more affordable ones because there are brands I like much better. If you've tried them, let me know what you think. So for 2025, what am I hoping for? What am I predicting? My hopes should look really familiar. They're the exact same ones as for 2024. My predictions, they're going to give us the option to turn off the auto mirror material setting because a lot of people are very frustrated with it. I think we'll probably get to 1.5 million Cricut images because images are able to be created so much faster. And I think there will continue to be even less support for the Explore family of machines. What do you hope for and predict for 2025? Let me know in the comments and let me know what videos would be most helpful for you. Thanks for watching Hank's Maker Mentor, and until next time, bye.